Tile or solid surface? The truth about Colorado showers. Ever wonder why your tile shower never stays clean? Or why that musty smell always comes back? Tile showers might look timeless, but in Colorado's dry winters and humid summers, they're hiding a dirty secret: moisture. Every grout line, every seam, every corner becomes a tiny water trap. Over time, cracks, leaks, and mold take over. We hear homeowners tell us over and over again, "We just redid this 5 years ago and it's already leaking." And fixing it isn't cheap. The EPA says that household leaks waste nearly 10,000 gallons of water a year, and the average bathroom repair can top $3,000 or more. Add in constant grout cleaning, resealing, and the Saturday scrubbing sessions, it's a maintenance cycle no one wants. Solid surface walls change that. Instead of hundreds of grout joints, you get sleek, seamless panels, non-porous, waterproof, and built to last decades. Brands like Kohler LuxStone and Onyx Collection use materials that mimic real stone but never stain or crack. They resist mold, clean in minutes, and install in just 1 to 2 days. At HomePride Bath, we've helped thousands of Colorado homeowners ditch the grout game for good. Our LuxStone installations include a lifetime warranty, so you can finally enjoy a shower that looks stunning and stays that way. Your bathroom shouldn't be another chore. It should be your easiest upgrade. Visit homepridebath.com today to learn more and discover how we've helped thousands of Colorado homeowners just like you remodel their bathrooms into beautiful spaces that are amazingly affordable.